In this video, I'll guide you through how to request time off on the Gusto app. Whether you're planning a vacation or just need a day to recharge, requesting time off is a straightforward process on Gusto. Let's dive in and explore how you can easily manage your time away from work with just a few taps. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to app.gusto.com. This is the main portal for all things related to your Gusto account, so having it bookmarked is always a smart move if you use it frequently. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard where you can see a summary of your account details. Next, look to the left side of your screen. You'll notice a menu with various options. Here, you'll want to click on the option labeled Time and Attendance. This section is your go-to spot for anything related to tracking your hours and managing your schedule. It's designed to be intuitive, so if you're new to Gusto, don't worry, everything is laid out clearly. After clicking on Time and Attendance, you'll be directed to a new page. From here, find and click on Time Off. This is where you'll be able to manage all aspects of your time away from work. Whether it's a half day you need or a longer break, this section is where you'll make those requests. Now that you're in the Time Off section, you'll see an option that says Record Time. Click on this, and it will bring you to a form where you can specify the details of your time off request. This step is crucial because it's where you'll input all the specifics of your time away. Once you're in the recording section, it's time to fill out the form. You'll need to select the employee who is making the request, which in most cases will be yourself. Then, you'll choose the policy that applies to your time off. This could be vacation time, personal leave, or any other category your company has set up. After that, select the dates you're requesting off. Make sure to double-check these dates to ensure they align with your plans. Finally, with everything filled out, the last step is to click Record Time Off. This will submit your request, and depending on your company's setup, it might go to your manager or HR for approval. Once submitted, you can generally expect a confirmation or notification regarding the status of your request. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully navigated the Gusto app to request time off. It's a simple process, but as always, if you have any questions or run into issues, don't hesitate to reach out to your HR department for additional guidance. They're there to help make sure your experience with tools like Gusto is as smooth as possible. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you feel more confident in managing your time off requests on Gusto. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips and tutorials. Have a great day.